guys, welcome back to the channel where I cover missing persons, unsolved cases, crime news, and more. Well, yesterday there was a hearing in the case of the Lily Peters homicide against CPB, who is charged in her murder, and the judge was ruling on what evidence may or may not be able to come out during trial.
It was a heated hearing in a Chippewa County courtroom today. A motion hearing was held to determine what evidence could be shown in the next court hearing for the teen accused of killing 10-year-old Lily Peters. News 18's Sam Freestead was at that hearing and has the latest.
The boy accused of killing Lily Peters appeared virtually in court on Thursday. Now lawyers are working to determine what evidence can be presented at the next hearing. Judge Stephen Gibbs approved 3 of the 4 motions brought forth by the lawyer for the defendant known to us as CPB. Crime scene and autopsy photos will not be shown in the next hearing. Lawyers will also not be allowed to talk about Lily Peters' character or her personal history. The 4th motion related to improper arguments by the prosecution.
He does not have the right, and you cannot allow him to bring in information which would, for some other reason, be used for an improper purpose.
Gibbs determined that this motion could not be ruled on, as he would need to see what evidence the prosecution wants to bring up and how it will relate to the defense arguments.
If Mr. Cohen strays from what he said or opens the door, I will allow Mr. Newell to kick the door in.
Lawyers for CPB will push for his case to be moved to juvenile court in an upcoming hearing. The reverse waiver hearing is scheduled for next month. Reporting in Chippewa Falls, I'm Sam Freestead.
Again, like they said, CPB, who I've said before on this channel, is the cousin of Lily Peters. And some folks do know his name, which I do. I will not use it on the channel. This is a very, very, very disturbing case. I believe completely that this teen, he needs to be tried as an adult. And it sickens me that there would even be a consideration that he would be moved down to juvenile court. Now, he's now 15 years old. And for those that don't remember the case, in a nutshell, the body of 10-year-old Lily Peters was found April of last year, which was 2022, in Chippewa Falls, one day after her father had reported her missing. An autopsy showed that she had died of blunt force trauma and strangulation, which later CPB admitted to investigators that he had done to Lily. As horrific and incredibly sad this case is, I'm going to be covering it all the way through to the end. I remember when I first heard about Lily Peters, and I like to follow as many cases as I can from the beginning to end. But let me know if you're also following this one. Let me know in the comments, and I will keep you guys apprised of what happens next month when there are the next hearings. With that said, I hope you have a great rest of the day, and most of all, stay safe.